12 reasons why you're always tired, even if you get enough sleep. Hey, how are you today? Tired? Well, it is okay to feel tired sometimes, but if you're always tired, even after getting sleep, it could be a sign that your body needs more of your attention. Feeling sluggish all the time, not having enough energy to do the things you want to do daily, and even napping does not help, this situation could be a bit frustrating. But knowing about the real culprits behind your tiredness could make the whole situation much better and even solve it. In today's video, we will share with you the 12 reasons why you're always tired even if you get enough sleep. Number 1. Not drinking enough water. Are you drinking enough water? Dehydration is the most common reason for tiredness. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, dehydration makes you less alert and more tired. Our body relies on water. If you are not getting a sufficient amount of fluid, it can cause low blood pressure, less oxygen transportation, and low energy levels. And all these factors result in a feeling of tiredness. Now the question is, how much water is enough for you? Well, it mainly depends on the climate, health condition, and activity level of a person. On average, a healthy adult should drink 1.5 liters of water per day. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. A sedentary lifestyle. Modern life today, including driving a car to work, the office work environment, among many other things, makes our lifestyle more sedentary than it should be. Sitting all day long is very hard on the body. Lack of activity can cause back pain, neck pain, soreness, headache, but the most important thing is that it causes chronic fatigue and makes you feel tired all the time. A study published in the journal Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise shows that inactive women have higher levels of fatigue and tiredness than sufficiently active women. So make your life more active. Go for a walk, plan a hiking trip, or simply indulge in activities like gardening to get your energy back. Number 3. Depression. Depression not only makes you sad, but also drains your energy and makes you feel tired all the time. More than 90% of the patients with depression also suffer from fatigue. It could be due to its effect on neurotransmitters and negative impact on the sleep cycle, workout routine, and eating patterns. So it is not just an unhappy feeling, it is a proper illness with symptoms like fatigue, stress, anxiety, and needs treatment. Consult with your physician or psychologist as soon as you notice these symptoms. Number 4. Vitamin deficiency. If you are constantly feeling low and tired, it might be a good idea to check your vitamin levels. Vitamins are an essential part of our diet, though taking extra vitamins would not make you super active, but being deficient in them could make you feel tired. So get the recommended amount of vitamins, especially vitamin D, B, and C. Well, I am not recommending to use tons of multivitamin supplements, as you could get the recommended quantities by eating a healthy, well-balanced diet. Plus, it is a lot more beneficial than supplements. But if you find it difficult to get all the nutrients from the diet, you could go for supplements. Number 5. A poor diet. You may be eating the wrong foods. It is one of the most common reasons people feel tired all the time. A lot of people don't know what food they should be eating to enjoy optimal health. Various studies have found that people who consume more refined carbohydrates and sugar in their diet experience more fatigue and tiredness compared to individuals consuming fiber and protein-rich diets. Another reason could be you are eating low calories overall. It is common in individuals not satisfied with their body weight. So do not starve yourself, eat clean and a balanced diet to perform well in life without feeling tired. Number 6. Your blood sugar may be imbalanced. Excessive drowsiness and tiredness could also be a complication of diabetes. Diabetes occurs when the pancreas either produces little to no insulin or the insulin doesn't work as it should, meaning your body cannot use the energy coming from food the way it needs to. And guess what? That will make you tired. You can prevent or manage diabetes by modifying your diet and lifestyle, but first it is essential to diagnose it at the right time. Make yourself aware of the symptoms of diabetes and get yourself tested as soon as you notice the signs. Number 7. Side effects of your medications. Certain medications, especially anti-anxiety, antidepressants, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure medications, have fatigue as a side effect. Check the label for the possible side effects. Sometimes the reaction goes away with time, but if it is impacting your lifestyle to a point where you cannot function normally, talk to your doctor about switching to a different option. Number 8. Too much sleep. We all know sleeping less could result in tiredness and fatigue, but do you know sleeping too much could also make you tired? And yes, you can sleep too much. Getting more sleep than you need to can disturb the body's rhythm and increase daytime fatigue. You might think sleeping more will result in a refreshed feeling afterward, but you will only feel more lethargic and unmotivated. So stick to your routine if you want your body to function in the best way. Number 9, you may be anemic. If you are continuously tired, regardless of many hours of rest and sleep, there is a possibility you might have anemia. It is a health condition in which the body lacks healthy red blood cells, which results in low oxygen supply, less energy, and tiredness. It affects more than 3 million Americans and is more common in women. So, what can you do to prevent anemia or reduce its symptoms? Focus on your diet and include plenty of foods rich in iron, vitamin B12, and folate. Some foods rich in these nutrients are red meat, seafood, leafy vegetables, and beans. Number 10, food sensitivities. Feeling a bit off, tired, or lethargic sometimes are the side effects of food intolerance. Some popular foods responsible for sensitivities include gluten, dairy, eggs, corn, and turkey. If you think that may be the case for you, how about doing an elimination diet for a few weeks to see if that's what is impacting you? Number 11, thyroid disease. Thyroid problems are a lot more common than you think. According to the National Institute of Health, 5 out of 100 Americans suffer from hypothyroidism. So, what is thyroid and why is it making you tired? Well, it is a small gland that controls the rate at which your body functions. If you have slow thyroid activity, you will feel tired. And if the thyroid is overproducing hormones, you will feel overactive. It is as simple as that. For proper diagnosis of a disease, go to your physician. Certain medications, dietary modifications, and little exercise can help you improve your fatigue and other symptoms associated with hypothyroidism. Number 12, chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS. If your situation is not getting better by correcting the above possible causes, there could be a chance you have CFS. It is a complex condition that can occur due to genetic factors, allergies, stress, or environment, and results in a constant feeling of tiredness, unrefreshing sleep, headaches, and unexplained muscle pain. Discuss with your physician to get a proper diagnosis and treatment. So what do you think? Did any of these 12 reasons relate to you? Maybe it is one of these reasons, or their combination, responsible for taking your energy away from you. Take care of your health, go for regular checkups, and adopt a healthy lifestyle, because you deserve a happy, healthy life. Did you find this video helpful or informative? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!